on our way to 777. It's time for some install, y'all. Be Living Swell. Yay!
Ain't no trash in these bags. There's spinach in my teeth.
Testing my patience, 1, 2, 3. It's Sunday fun day.
And it's a gorgeous day.
Who wants to install a yacht?
Me!
Deanna James with Living Swell Interiors, the division of East Coast Design out of Marblehead, Mass. And we have been working on this boat project, yacht project, for almost 2 months. We put it all together in a very short amount of time, and it's to the credit to the crew here and all the tradespeople that I work with in order to see my vision become a reality. It is a 320-foot super yacht owned by a foreign business person who is going to be living here for the next few months, and we are thrilled to be able to do the install today. So what we're doing today is we're changing a lot of the decorative elements to the interiors and to the exteriors, and what we're looking at now is all the new cushions that we've recovered into these really bright and happy colors. I'm just so thrilled. We're in Maine right now, in Portland, 4-Point Marina. There's a lot of action going on. We've got a great day. Full crew is on board making things happen, and it's through people who actually do the work that makes me look good, so I'm very excited about all of it.
Look, this is the children's set. Oh, I want to see! Because children need to eat off of Hermes as well. Oh my God!
Hermes, Hermes, Hermes.
The pattern that I chose, which is walk in the garden.
Oh my God, I love this.
And it's so beautiful. These are like little trays, and it is perfect for this aesthetic.
And day 1 finished. Cheers, ladies. Awesome.
All right, here we are, day 2. We are rocking and rolling. This actually we've made a lot of progress. So I'm really happy and pleased with the palette that I've chosen. Throughout the day, you guys are gonna see the colors and everything that we've used. They're really bright and fun. So this is a really exciting day. It's beautiful and sunny in Maine this morning. So stay tuned. We laid down the carpets today. We got all of the furniture together. Okay, you just lay down. You lay down, little siesta. That is a big piece. We're on the final stages, so this has been a really incredible project. I'm losing my voice from talking so much, telling people what to do.
Day 3, we are going to go and sprinkle fairy dust everywhere.
The colors that we used in here, you know, the crisp blues with this sort of soft blue and white really lend itself to the crispness of this nautical style, and it's very New England. And we've got a nice mix of colors and textures going on. We've got some Hermes accessories. And then over here we've got the dining area with all this fabulous flatware and stemware, and it's really a dream. We did a yellow gold combination, which I think looks really, really amazing. And it's nice and soft, and it happens to be one of the client's favorite colors. So we wanted to put that in their master stateroom. The Sky Lounge. I foresee this is sort of like the family room. Pick up this big TV for cinema watching. This is going to be a place where they're going to spend a lot of time. This is the guest room, guest stateroom. This looks amazing. So pretty. Really, really pretty. And here we did like a light blue palette. This project has been, as I said, really intense, but it was also sight unseen. I hadn't even been on the boat and was designing everything just by looking at plans and photographs. So I really relied on the crew who have been amazingly helpful through this whole process, and then just sort of flying by the seat of my pants in some cases because I had never designed a super yacht before. So now I've done one, I'm ready to do more. It has been quite a little journey, and we'll see you again next time. Ciao. And make sure you follow us on Instagram, Facebook, wherever else we are. Living Swell Marblehead. We go everywhere. We do boats, we do houses. Who knows what else we'll do? Maybe we'll do a plane next time.
Bon voyage.